Hello beautiful people, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you. If you just clicked on this video, please give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up, okay? If you're just seeing or coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel as we have amazing recipes to share with you, okay? So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your cake flour yourself, okay? I know most of us have been using all-purpose flour to bake in the name of cake flour, okay? When you see some recipes, there are some that calls for cake flour, okay? If you know you have a recipe that calls for cake flour, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your cake flour yourself, okay? So guys, let's get started, okay? So for you to make your cake flour, all you need is your all-purpose flour and your corn flour. So guys, cake flour is very important. If you want your cake yummy, creamy, soft, then you need to bake your cake with cake flour instead of all-purpose flour. I'm not saying that all-purpose flour is not good for baking, but if you want that fluffy cake, you want that creamy cake, you want that yummy cake, all you need is your cake flour. So for me to make this cake flour, as you can see, I've just measured 1 cup of flour into the stainless bowl. I'll go ahead to add in the second cup. So what I have here right now is 2 cups of flour. This is 2 cups of flour. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove 2 tablespoons of flour from the 2 cups of flour, and I will go ahead to replace it with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can call it corn flour or cornstarch. So you will go ahead to set aside the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and you will go ahead to add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the all-purpose flour, okay? So guys, after adding the 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the 2 cups of flour, the next thing you will do is to go in with your spatula or whatever you have, stir everything and let it combine very well, and you will also go ahead to sieve it 3 consecutive times, okay? Then you will set aside. If you want more than this, you can go ahead to repeat the same process, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, okay? I will see you in my next video. Bye.